And if you have omega-3 at home, please simply perform this experiment. Hello dear friends, welcome to this video. This is Coach FO. My name is Feyitola Onogorua, a certified wellness coach. In the last 24 years, we have worked with many to slow down the aging process. And today, I'd like to talk about a wonderful product that is a product of a company that I've partnered with in the last 23 years. And you will see why when I talk to you about the Arctic Sea Super Omega-3 from the stable of Forever Living Products. Why Omega-3? Why the one from the Arctic Sea? Why are we particular about where it is gotten from? And why should it be part of your supplementation on a daily basis? As we grow, as we eat, especially when we eat fatty things, we begin to deposit cholesterol on the inner lining of the blood vessels, disturbing the normal flow of blood. And so when the heart is pumping blood, the road is narrow. So the heart will need to pump at an extra pressure, and that's what we call high blood pressure. If you have been following our videos, I've been talking about some of the causes of high blood pressure and arthritis, and I tell you the deposition of cholesterol is a major culprit, and that's why we're introducing this omega-3, because over the years we've accumulated this cholesterol. We need to be intentional about dissolving them and getting them out of the system. So there is a researcher, an American, who went to actually live with the Eskimos for 40 years doing a research on why they don't have high blood pressure and coronary heart problems. And he realized that it's because they eat more of these Arctic Sea animals, fish, fresh fish from the coldest region on the earth. And so we also need to imbibe and copy this good thing from them. Omega-3, which we also call the linolenic acid, is an 18-carbon long polyunsaturated fatty acid. Don't worry that I'm explaining that to you, but I want you to get the point. We have found that this omega-3 is useful in these areas. It helps to change our metabolism. One, it may lower the blood pressure, like I said earlier, which is a major risk factor for heart attacks and stroke. If you look all around us now, there has been an increment, especially with black men all over the world having high blood pressure and having stroke. This omega-3 also reduces the tendency for blood platelets to stick together, which can lead to formation of blood clots. That's second. Thirdly, they lower the rate at which the liver manufactures triglycerides. And fourthly, they may help repair the damage due to a lack of oxygen in body tissues. The ozone layer has been depleted of oxygen. So even when we're breathing, we're no more getting enough oxygen that we need. So how do we explain what they do? A mix of the fatty acids of omega-3 and 9 gives us a highly efficient combination for the reduction of cholesterol and triglycerides, improving general health by helping, one, to reduce the risk of cardiovascular problems because it reduces cholesterol in the blood. Two, it avoids deposits of cholesterol on the arterial walls. It reduces the level of triglycerides in the blood. These are fats that are strongly implicated in obesity and heart attacks and strokes. It reduces the risk of thrombosis. It helps to normalize blood pressure. It eases symptoms of premenstrual syndrome. So you find out that it's useful in a lot of things. Slows the advance of multiple sclerosis. Slows the effects from the consumption of alcoholic beverages. So I don't tell people to stop drinking. I tell you I have supplements for you. Slows the growth of cancerous tumors. You see that it's all encompassing. It increases the mobility of blood cells, helps to avoid blood clots, making platelets less sticky. It helps the development of rheumatoid arthritis. In the last 3 weeks, we've been talking about arthritis. There's either osteoporosis or, rheumatoid. I will also want to practically demonstrate to you the effect of omega-3. Like when we've been young, we've always been advised to take, it's called, there's a name they call it when we're young, omega-3. They always tell us to take it. We take it in tablet forms. I'm using warm water, and why? Our inside, our body temperature is high. So I want to show you what happens when you take omega-3. And if you have omega-3 at home, please simply perform this experiment so that you will know if the one you have is working. There's this foam that they use in packing electronics. It has the same chemical qualities with cholesterol, and when you just put little bits of it in your warm water, and then you will drop your omega-3 oil inside the particular brand that you are using, just put it inside. If it dissolves this polystyrene, then you are sure that it is working. So when you get into the chemist and you go to buy, you ask for omega-3, this is a sample of what they will give you. So I'm going to use one of it for this our experiment. I'll put it in the water, and then we will see if it works. Please do this on your own so you will understand what I'm talking about. So I've dissolved, I've put it in the warm water. I'll wait for it to dissolve, and then I'm going to use the Forever Living Products Arctic Sea Super Omega-3. Arctic Sea Super Omega-3. That tells you the particular location where it is gotten from. So I'm going to use one for the second cup, and then we will wait and see. You can see the clear oil. I'm going to do the same thing. So you can see the oil coming out, and I'm going to drop the gel inside it. So we're going to wait and see. And like I was telling you, please perform the same experiment with the omega-3 capsule that you have at home, and that will let you know if it is really working in your body or not. The whole essence is all the meat, all the oil that we've been eating all these days, we store them in the blood vessels and at the joints, causing high blood pressure and arthritis. So how do we tackle hypertension and arthritis naturally? We need to break down these cholesterol depositions, and then we use the aloe vera gel to flush them out of the system. Once your blood vessels are clean, your blood will flow properly, and then the pressure from the heart will go down. The same thing when you clean out the cholesterol from the joints, the joint health will be restored, and all those extra depositions of cholesterol will be cleansed out. With that, your joint movement will be, improved upon, and that's why you need omega-3. We sell this for 22,000 naira. I tell you, you will need to order this in combination with your aloe vera gel. With that, I can beat my chest for you. We have many testimonials. You will, be able to reduce the occurrence of high blood pressure and arthritis naturally. Of course, there is lifestyle adjustment which will hold your hand and coach you through to adjust. There are many things we're doing that is harming us because we did not know. Now we will educate you, you will know, and then you will pick up better health habits. And that's why we are here. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of informations like this at the Hayil Healthville 1. My name once again is Feyitola Onogorua. Very wonderful. Please bring the phone nearer and let us see. Can you see? This is the one with the Forever Omega-3. You can see the foam dissolving, and this is the one that we bought from the pharmacy, a recognized pharmacy, not just by the roadside. And this is the difference between the two. So you want to clean out your blood vessels, you want to clean out your joints, place your order today. We deliver worldwide. I tell you, we operate in 160 countries, and that means we can deliver to you anywhere you are in the world. So this, see, the water is clear, the foam is almost all right. The foam has disappeared. The polystyrene has disappeared. This is the other one. You can see that the water is just colored yellow, but the foam is still there. So don't waste your money. Go for the original. We are here to hold you by the hand to help you get your desired result. Have a great day, and God bless you.